said?
I'll be good. I got present. My birthday. But thank you, Daddy.
My husband is having a sneezing attack. He must have sneezed like 6 times already.
Thank you, Daddy.
So Kara and Sydney keep saying, bless you, Daddy, bless you. Oh my goodness, she's waiting. They're about to go out. Yes on that. Hey guys, so a little bit of St. Patty's sprinkled through the kitchen, right? A little bit in the foyer, but yes on that. Kara was very excited to see the St. Patty's come out. And, you know, I do it for them. You know what I mean? For me too. It makes me happy. So yeah, nice and simple. So this is the runner that I grabbed from Target Dollar Spot, right? Perfect. Actually, I could take this through, you know, with all the greenery and things about to come out. So that's perfect. And that's what I was trying to do. So just a little bit, right, of the fakery up here. And one of my vases, I think that might be from Aldi's. And then the legs are rocking. Happy St. Pat's. I threw some coins. Kind of the same setup from last year. Maybe a little different, right? Threw the marshmallow over there with the hat on. Let me swing it around. My pot of gold over here, right? The spray painted coins on the top that I did. Threw some coins for filler in there, right? A mason jar is rocking on the other side. And yeah, it's perfect. Yes, on a Johanna Parker teapot. Perfect, right in the middle. So I threw the spatulas in the new crock from Dollar General, right? Just threw the ribbon around it, which just happened to be in one of the baby candies. So I just used it for that. Perfect. The truck, some coins sprinkled throughout. So that's what's rocking over here. And when I swing it around over here with the books, which I love, my new cup with It's Tish Time and the rolling pin. Yes, on that. So just some beads and a little bit of coins. And yeah. That's all that's rocking over here. Yes, on Shamrock over here. So a wallflower usually is rocking behind there, but I don't have one for St. Patty's. So I just put it on top of this riser, which I got from Dollar General. I specifically bought it to use as a riser. So that is perfect. And remember, it's just so simple over here and not cluttered. Low more of the spoon, fork, knife sticking up. And yeah, it's just perfect. The girls are always going to have something simple because they put all their things on the table. I don't want anything too crazy over here. You know what I mean? Like all Sydney stuff is rocking over there. But yeah, over the rainbow, right? I kind of put that on Sydney's side because that's what's really associated with her, Wizard of Oz, right? Over the rainbow. And St. Patty's, right? And then Kara loves flowers and all things, right? So I kind of put that a little bit on her side. And yeah, threw some beads on there, some coins as filler, and now they're rocking. I just have these on the end, one over here and one on the stove over there. Yes, on the coffee bar over here. So the big fat candy back there with the leprechaun treats that has the K-cups and then espresso capsules, right? Shamrocks. I switched out the cafe and put the baby shamrocks here. It has the coffee beans in it, right? My new obsession. The pot of gold over there, all of this rocking. I have the marshmallow with the other hat on. So super cute, right? Down here is the mug that I'm using, Irish coffee. So whatever mug is on the coffee bar is what hubby will use. He doesn't care what it says. So Irish coffee. Let me see what's on the other side. Oh, the shamrock. That's right. No, it's a shamrock over here. Should I? Yeah, I'll keep it as Irish coffee. I think that's cute. This little guy is from Home Goods. So darn cute with the Irish cream. And then my bowl with the cinnamon cocoa powder and things. I use this every day, so I'm just keeping it there. So yeah, this is perfect. And this is how it's going to rock for the next couple weeks. Simple, right? Just how I like it. So in the foyer, simple, right? You know it's St. Patty's when you walk in the front door. The horseshoes, which was that Dollar Tree last year or the year before? I forget, but they're so cute. My birdhouse, a truck, right? And girl, that is it because it's not going to be up here that long. So yeah. So yes, on the oh, I forgot the clover. So that's right on the pantry. That's perfect, right? Perfect size. So yes, on the decor in the kitchen, right? This is where we are the most. We come in, we talking, we sitting at the island, we going over the day and what's going on, what's happening. This is the place. So it just makes sense to, you know, jazz it up just a teeny bit, right, for the next couple weeks. So yeah, it's perfect. Like Sydney says, it's perfect. Yes on that. Oh my goodness. Hubby's a part of the shenanigans now. My shenanigans. So I asked him to pick me up the Star Wars. And he got me all of this. Yes on that. I'm so excited to open it. So I just asked for this. But he saw this too. So yeah, this is different from this. I feel like this has 4 figures, Galaxy Peak. And this has 5. And then he got me this too. It's 8 figures in here. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes. She's about to wash her clothes. So she likes to use this like I do. Kara likes to use the pods. Let me see if we have any. Yeah, Kara likes to use these. Sydney likes to use this. Let's see which one. Which one you want to use? Oh, the purple? Okay. I've been rocking this one. Actually, I was going to say from the Dollar Tree, but they both are. So I've been rocking the Brazilian Soul one. She's been rocking this one. I think hubby been calm and lavender too. Oh my goodness. And Kara, I feel like, has been using the spring linen. So yes on that. Yeah. So remember my friend a couple weeks ago that I went to dinner with, La Scala Fire? So she gave me this. Yes on that. She's the one who got me all with these coffee beans and grinding them and things, right? Oh my goodness. So yeah. So this is the one I'm rocking now. It is so smooth. It tastes so good. So I'm rocking it in the Irish coffee, right? And you know what I did? Something I hardly ever do. I tasted the coffee. So most of the time I pour whatever I'm rocking, which I'm going to do the almond milk vanilla. I think I got this from Aldi's, I feel like. But what I normally do is line the bottom with whatever creamer I'm going to rock, right? Today, I wanted to taste the coffee. Do you know what I mean? To see if or how much I need it. So now it's just black, right? And it is not as bitter. It's smooth. I feel like when you grind the coffee beans, it is a little bit more smooth. In my opinion, I'm still a novice. So yes on that. But yeah, so throw that in and I'll be good to go this morning. Girl, what was I thinking? I'm a mixer. This is always gonna rock, right? The French vanilla. And then I'll put like my Harry Potter or the almond or whatever, right? I was tripping because I was helping Sydney. I got distracted. Oh my goodness. Just a little bit. Hubby just came in from his me time shopping. He always with the fun stuff. This is why I don't food shop. He said I don't get fun stuff like this. Oh my goodness. So cherry float Coca-Cola is rocking. And what? Baja Cabo citrus, I think that says on the Mountain Dew. Girl, oh my goodness. He got some raviolis. He already started putting stuff away, chips and things. So yeah. Yes. I don't drink this either, but they love it. He got me some more cauliflower rice. Yes, this is my favorite one. I like the plain one. It's fine, but I love that it's like a medley, right? And then I may throw broccoli in there and things. So yes on that. Oh, I needed more pork and beans. Yes, girl. So this is his obsession with Wawa, right? At Wawa. Mine is the French vanilla creamer. His is this sweet ass half and half stuff. Ow! I forgot to show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree yesterday. Yes on that. That's important. Slide that on over. So these are the new mason jar type, right, from Dollar Tree I picked up yesterday. The lemon decor. Isn't this so pretty? Oh my goodness. What is this called? Is that frosted? I think so. So when I first went in there, I saw this one. Girl, look. Oh my goodness. I saw this one first. And I was like, oh, it's about to go down in here, right? Girl, I went around the corner and this one was there. So yes on both of those. And then these mason jars right here, which are fire. I didn't even, hold on. Oh yeah, that's what I thought, that it kind of, you know, like that. So this one, which I didn't realize in the store either, girl, go watch Dollar Tree. It was a whole thing. So this one has 1 lemon. And I think I saw the one with the 2 lemons at first. So yes on that. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Girl, I want to say 125. It might be on the 1.50, but I think it might be 125. I'm not sure. It might be 150. But either way, girl, 150? Yes on that. I'll be running in and out. And the towels. So, yeah, this is my home collection. Isn't that so pretty? I was saying I wasn't sure if these were old or new. These are definitely new. And they have one that says, it's like green check, right? Green and white. But you'll see it in a Dollar Tree soon, because I went to one and then I went to another one and all of this was out too. So it's definitely coming out. But oh my goodness, because you know I rock the bees and the lemons. That's going to be coming soon. So yeah, that is fire. So yes on that. Sid's about to get her hair braided. So all the dolls are set up over here. Oh my goodness. Look at that wild hair. Oh my goodness. All this hair. She's doing so good. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me see. Turn around. It's so pretty. So she put, you know, curls in it this time. Oh, I love it. And she made them a little bit more bigger. So look at her. Look at it. It's so cute. Now it's Kara's turn. Oh my goodness. Kara's almost finished. It's so pretty. I love it. You're so pretty. I love it. I love that she did it like this with the curls in there. So both of their hairs look exactly alike. Yes on that. Hey guys, I'm in the Disney Beauty room, right? So I wanted to show you what I did. I'm so excited. So I had to move some things over. Actually, I have some extras in here. But I grabbed these from Dollar Tree, right? And girl, since I talked to you, I decided to do these puppies too. I did the puppies and the bestie did the kitties. So yes on that. So I thought that this was neat. So at first, let me spin that. At first, I was thinking I was going to fit them in each one, but they're too big. So I was going to say bin, each container, I guess, right? Each container has the family, right? So I'm waiting for the Mad Hatter. That's what the space is right here. So I'm hoping to find that. All the other ones are full, I think. I'm waiting to find. Look at the Star Wars. This is what hubby got me. I didn't open the other 2 yet. I opened the big box. So yes on that. So I have another container I had to get. So I'm going to put them in there. These are the ones that I'm still waiting. Like I'm still waiting for Ursula. There's Pinocchio, right? So Winnie the Pooh is done. Peter Pan is done. I need one more dwarf. I need Bashful. So yes on that. And yeah, I got all the princesses. So I'm so excited. It's so cute. This is perfect. So hubby was like, babe, that's too big. You're wasting space. And I thought about that, but I don't want to put them, like I have this one back there, but that's because I could see him. If I, he was saying put them all, but I can't. You won't be able to see, and I want to see them all. You know what I mean? So he was like, but you're wasting space, and he's right. But what the plan is, this is probably going to end up sitting on a turny turn, and as I keep going, which I will, yeah, I'll start, like, let's just say I'll put all the Star Wars, you know, behind whatever is, you know what I'm trying to say? So it's definitely not going to be wasted space, but yeah, I'm so excited. It's so darn cute. I don't think I want it to go any higher. I think 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think 6 is cool in the game, right? Yes. All right, you guys. Let me see. Hold on. All right, you guys. I was like, wait a minute. Let me turn the camera around and talk to you, right? I didn't want to have the camera fixed on the one object for 20 minutes. So, girl, oh my goodness. But I think I'm gonna end it here, wind down. I'm having salmon and cauliflower rice. That's what I'm feeling. But I got a taste for a sweet potato too. So I think I'm gonna do that. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing because of the girl's hair. It was kind of like whenever that's happening, it's just like I'm not cooking dinner, and you know what I mean. So yeah, it came out so pretty. The girls were so good. Sydney's hair took a little longer because it's thick. Kara's is long, but it's not as thick as Sydney's. So, but yeah, they did so good. I'm so proud of them, and it's so pretty. Kara's looking at me. She's playing in her hair now. Hey, girl. Hi.
Hey, Mike.
How
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, I thought she was gonna. I was gonna spin the camera around so we could see her, but she came in and got my iPad and rolled. Girl. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I am so excited about these durables. Now, hubby is adding to my obsession, which is so cute. He's so cute. So, all right. I guess I'll see you guys soon. Bye.